Let us start with the new Shannon-Fano algorithm. One more example we have taken. So I have shown you the answer here. So our aim is to, from these probability, getting this code. One more example we have seen in the previous video. So the steps remain as it is. These are the characters and the probabilities has been arranged in a descending order. So what is the rule we have for the Shannon-Fano? We have to go on dividing the probabilities into two groups, such that the addition of the groups becomes, I mean, they come almost equal. So go on dividing, the upper part gets 0 and the lower part gets scored as 1. So let us start. So when I add from bottom to here, so I'm sorry, let me see what I have done. Yeah, this is the way I wanted. Yeah. So when I add it from bottom to the this thing, so I can say it's the 6 is 12, 20, 28, 30, 40. 40 to 52. Okay, so I get my first division very clear. So let us go on dividing. So this becomes my first partition. So I will add it here. So let's follow the rule. The first upper part gets 0 and you have all bottom characters as code as 1. Okay, so your first division is over. Now the first division, so this is not going to change. The code for this is not going to change. So you can directly carry forward it as a 0. You can write it that. Now come to the remaining probabilities. So let's see what is our second division comes. So 6, 12, 20, 28 and this is 24. Okay, so I got my second division. So I divide it in this way. So I have to write all previous codes as it is. So I write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So the upper part gets 0. So let me write it with blue. This is 0. And then I have 1 all here. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So we'll finish with the again one part here. You have one in one group, you have two probabilities. So divide it again. So 12, 12, these are equally probable. Sorry for that line. So I will write the previous code as it is. So I was getting 1 0 here. So new and I have 1 0 here. Okay. So when I write a new code, let me write upper part as 0 and the lower part as 1. So my one division is complete. So that time where I can divide it here. So this group was remaining. So 16 and 12. Okay, let us divide it in this way. Carry forward the previous code first. So I will write the all previous carry forwarded code. I will write it with red. So let me write it for all the characters. Okay. So now the new code, let's write with the blue. So upper part gets 0 and the bottom probabilities get the code as 1. Okay. So now let us have see this we have finished. There is nothing to do more. So you can directly write the code as this. You can directly write the code as this. Okay. So now let us see if okay, this again we can divide because the same probability. So I will have one more thing here. So let me write the previous code with the red ink 110 and again I have 110. Okay. So upper part gets 0. Let me write it with blue and the bottom part gets 1. So let me complete this. So this is the code. And here let me see how we can make a division. Yes, I can make it like this. 6 6. So let me write it with red. All previous code 1 1 1. This was all 1 1 1 1 1. The upper part gets 0. The bottom part gets 1. Okay. So I don't think any more division possible here. So I will say this is the code which gets transferred here. This is the code which gets transferred here. And yes, this will be as it is because we have last division which is pending will be this 0402. Let me write it. Yeah. Complete it and the previous code I will write it again 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. The upper part gets 0 and the bottom part gets 1. So this will be my final code. So this is the way we will be doing it for the Shannon-Fano algorithm. So just let me just shift it so that you can cross check the answer. So you can see we are getting the same answers. So you will be solving more examples like this, and hopefully I hope that you have understood how to do these things, and you will be doing it with me, and we will be solving some more examples regarding this. Thank you.